Okay, guys, we got one. Let's go ahead. There we go. Let's see if we can turn it around. Feels pretty good, not too bad. I don't know what it is, we'll find out. It's coming this way. There's a big school of them down here. There we go. Let's see if we can bring him up. You don't want to come up. He's coming. Yeah, he doesn't want to come up. Oh, don't want to come up. There we go. Nope, he don't want to come up yet. There's a big whole school down there. Look at that. Woo. Nice school. There we go. He has to be a big one, and he's pulling a lot of drag. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm not too sure about these all the microphones on these cameras. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So we'll see. He is pulling me all over the place, so. He's pulling me about a half a mile an hour. And he's right underneath there. I don't know where he's going, but he's moving. Let's get this rod out of the way and let's see if we can bring him in. He's a big one. He feels like a big one. And I got him on that rattle trap, that chrome rattle trap. You don't want to come up yet. Not coming up. He's staying at the bottom. Let's see if we can bring him up. Slow and easy. Slow and easy. You don't want to come up. He does not want to come up. Ooh, he's a big one. He is a big one. There he goes. Yeah. Come on, guys. Come on. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, he's going all the way around. Let's get this other rod out of the way again. wants to stay with the school. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's a whole bunch of them down there on the bottom. We're just going to wait until he tires out, and then we'll bring him up. I haven't seen him yet, so... Oh yeah, he's a big one. He is way over 30 inches. There we go. Let's see if we can. Oh, yeah. He's a big one. Oh. There we go. Here's a big one. Whew. Oh yeah. Easy, easy. Oh yeah, he's a big one. Let's see how big he is. He has to be over 30 inches. Hey, hey, hey. He's about 31. Not bad, not bad. And you see it? About 31. Got a big mouth. Look at that. Can you see it? Okay, let's let him go. Woo. He's gone. Let's get all this stuff untangled and we'll start all over again. Ooh, excuse me. Okay guys, but I got him on a little rattle trap. Fish on, guys, fish on. I'm just bringing this other lure in and we'll fight this other one. Oh man, he's really taking a line. No. There we go. Let's go get this other one. Let's go get him. He's pulling. Oh yeah, feels like a big one too. putting up a fight. He don't feel too big, but he's putting up a fight. Woo-hoo. No wonder he's putting up a fight. I snagged him on the side. Snagged him in the side. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, if we come in, I'll let you go. Come on. There we go. Knock my speaker out. Or my mic, that is. There we go. Okay. Let's take care of the fish. Woo. Snagged him good. I think he took a swipe at the lure and missed it. Easy, easy, easy. Let's find out how big he is. Ooh, I'd say about. No, wait. 22 inches. Can you see that? Getting there. I'd say about 21 3/4. Not a bad little fish. There you go. Oh, nice 2 dots on this side. 2 beautiful dots. Let's see on this side. Oh, nice. That matched pretty good. Look at that. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Let me bring this other one in. Feels like a small one. Get him out. Come on. There we go. There we go. Got him. Whew. Trying to let you go, guys. Really snagged everything up. Got me good. Almost 22 and a half. There you go, guys. Ooh, look at all the little dots. He's a mean one too. He's a mean one. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, we got another one. Let's see what it is. Let's see if we can bring him in. Got him. Yo. There we go. Got him. Woo. There we go. Ooh, not bad, not bad. About 23 and a half. 23 and a half, not bad at all. Here we go, guys. Got another one. I think that knocks him out. Gotta let him go. That wind's picking up, guys. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but that wind's picking up. Okay, guys, we're calling it a day. It's about 11:03. Rough landing.